Today we're going to build on and use your warm market with a tool that we like to call 10 in motion. This 10 in motion list is an important part of getting off to a great start. We all have a pretty large warm market that we have some influence with. Unfortunately, trying to work with your entire warm market at the same time will prove to be ineffective, if not impossible. Over the coming few days and weeks, some of those top 10 will no doubt become a LifeVantage customer or even join you in sharing with others. Some will move, as the message or timing just isn't right for them now. But the goal is to always have 10 in motion. If you want to be successful, always keep your list updated with 10 people you're actively working on. As you work on a prioritized list inside your warm market, those who want to partner with you can do the same inside their warm market. It's important to create some diversity. For your first 10, I'll give you some suggestions of the type of people you should have on your list. The first 3 people will be product people. Simply 3 people who you know for sure will love LifeVantage products. This will give you a couple of really easy conversations, not because you're going to try to sell them products, but because you know by sharing your passion for LifeVantage products, they'll want to try them as well. Put 2 people that you think would love the LifeVantage opportunity. These are people who would like to supplement their income each month or perhaps even replace a significant income. For the next 2 people, select 2 people who are big supporters of you. These are people that you'd like to work with, who would likely do it just because it's you asking. And for the next person, pick the person who would be your first round draft pick if you could pick one person you really wanted on your team. This person would probably be a real go-getter, someone that would energize your whole team, a people person. For the last 2 slots, you can use wildcard people. These people can be anyone you'd like to approach about being on your team, maybe a couple of close friends or family members.